How to transfer all data from an old Android to a new Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and transferring all your data from old Android to new Android is quite easy. Follow this simple step to move your contacts, apps, photos and more. First method is you can use Google account backup. For that, on your old phone, you simply need to back up old phone data. So launch settings application, scroll to the bottom and select Google. Tap on All Services option and scroll to the bottom. Here you will see Backup and Restore section. Tap Backup. Then you simply need to back up to Google Drive and then tap on Backup Now button. Now on your new phone, you simply need to restore the data. Turn on your new Android and connect to Wi-Fi. When prompted, you simply need to sign in with your Google account and then select Restore from Google Backup, and you need to choose the latest backup and wait for the process to finish. If you prefer a manual method, you can simply connect your old phone to PC using cable and copy folders like the CIM downloads and documents to your PC, connect the new phone and paste the copied files into same locations. Once the transfer is complete, check your apps, contacts, and media files, and you can sign in with your Google account to sync additional data like password and setting. And that's it. You will successfully transfer all data from an old phone to new phone. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.